Hey you guys! So it has been a hot minute since I have uploaded a grocery haul. The past several weeks have just been kind of chaotic, busy a little bit. My schedule changed at work, so I went from working 4 days a week to 5, and my days off, it just feels like I don't have enough time to get everything I'd like to done. So I really miss my 4-day work week. So I'm finally getting around to being able to edit videos and get some uploaded. So that's what I'm doing today. Today I am headed to Aldi. And so like always, I'll share everything I picked up once I get back, along with the meal plan. So I will see you guys there in a minute. Alright y'all, so I am back from Aldi. So first let me show you what I have planned for the menu for this week. So we're going to do some chicken tenders and tater tots, then Frito casserole, and I'm currently editing that video, so once I get that uploaded I will have it linked in the description below. Then we'll have some dirty rice, some smoked sausage stir fry, some hamburger stroganoff, and then for the rest of the week, we'll do either leftovers or maybe make some homemade pizza or maybe get takeout. So let me show you what I picked up. So we needed some more trail mix, so I picked up a bag of the fruit and nut and some mountain blend, and so I'll just combine the two and throw that in the trail mix bin. Then I picked up some ground beef, and that is for the stroganoff, and then I'll probably make some taco meat with the rest of it. My daughter wanted some already shredded mozzarella, so I picked a bag up for her. And then I just got 1 dozen eggs because we have about 2 or 3 dozen still in the fridge. And then I picked up some Egg Life wraps, and I like to use these for a whole bunch of different things. So I'll use it to make lasagna, tostadas, tacos, and my current favorite is to make like a thin crust pizza. So there's so many different ways to use these wraps. I don't actually use them as an actual wrap, but I love them for tacos and pizza. So I also picked up some of the artisan flatbread. So my daughter wanted to make some homemade dish white sauce pizza, so I picked her up a jar of Alfredo to make that. She likes putting tomatoes and spinach on top of it. Then I got 4 containers of strawberry banana and 4 containers of regular strawberry yogurt. And as you guys know, I like to always pick up something new to try, so I got them this caramel brownie chocolate. And then I think Aldi carries these every spring, so I don't think they're new, but I've never picked them up before. But it's basically lemon Oreos, so I'm hoping to make some lemon Oreo truffles, and if I do, I may make a short, so I'll also have that linked if I decide to do that. Then I also picked up some egg noodles to go with the stroganoff, and then Fritos for the Frito casserole. And they had these new queso flavored chips, so I decided to pick a bag of those up for everyone to try. Then I got 2 bags of sweet butter lettuce. Got just a couple of Roma tomatoes because we actually have several grape tomatoes in the fridge. Some bananas, and the blackberries were $1.29 this week. I only picked up 1. I should have picked up more. Then I got a bag of Envy apples, and I needed to stock up on some of my canned vegetables, so I picked up 4 cans of tomato sauce, a couple cans of black beans. We haven't had canned pears in a while, so I picked that up. And my daughter loves canned pineapples, so I picked a couple of those up for her. I got some Chipotle cheddar cheese. I actually really like this. It has just the right amount of spice to it. My daughter also prefers the sliced mozzarella from Aldi. She doesn't like any other brand. So I got her 1 log of that, some Colby Jack cheese, and some cream cheese for those Oreo truffles. Picked up some pepperonis and some sausage for the dirty rice, and then some kielbasa for the stir fry. And then for the remaining canned vegetables, I got some canned carrots and some canned chili for that Frito casserole, a couple of cans of corn, a couple of cans of mixed vegetables, and a couple of cans of green beans, and then a couple cans of Rotel tomatoes. Got 2 bags of the California medley for the stir fry, and we needed some more frozen fruit for smoothies, and I picked up some tater tots for dinner, and we also like to make these for breakfast on the weekends. And then I got a box of the marshmallow stars and a box of instant rice. I like to keep this on hand for a quick side dish or to bulk up recipes like soups, and I was completely out, so I picked up a box of that. We were also out of what we call, I know it's weird, juicy mac and cheese. So I picked up a couple boxes just to put those in the pantry. I needed some more half and half, milk, apple juice, and then I also got some mango juice. And then they had the palmini mashed in stock, so I decided to pick a couple of those up. I really like those to make like a keto shepherd's pie or cheesy faux mashed potatoes. I really enjoy that. So that is everything we picked up this week, you guys, and the total came in just under $127. So not too bad. So I hope everybody has a great week ahead. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.